Today, I'm going to show you how to create and schedule appointments in CloudRep. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to the left here and scroll down to Organizations. So let's click on Organizations. And if you haven't already, you're going to have to create a new organization with this button here. We have another tutorial on how to do this, but you'll have to create an organization. We already have one here though, called Dave's Pizza. Now, at the top here, we can click on Member. And the first thing we're going to have to do here is create a new team. So let's click Add a New Team. We call it anything, give a description. We'll say Test 1. And then for the description, we can say this is a test for our demo. Click Create Team. There we go. We have a new team now. The next thing we're going to have to do is add a staff. So if we click Add New Staff here, and then fill out this information. So we say, oh, John Smith. Email, we say test123@shiftgroup.ca. Phone number, we can go 1232132 Role, we go, let's do admin. And then we have to select the team. So let's click on this, the team we just made, and let's click Add Staff Member. There we go. So we click the X now, and we can see that our staff member has been added. They've been invited. They'll receive an email, and they'll be able to sign up from there. So the next step is to go to the left here and scroll to Staff Settings. So let's click on Staff Settings. So this is where we can make an event. An event is basically a template for a meeting that we can use and copy over and over. So let's select our team to begin. So test 1, the team we made. We can see our staff that we added, John Smith, is on this team. And then let's add a new event type. So event name, we could say reservation. Call it reservation, because this is a pizza restaurant, right? Dave's Pizza. Say duration, maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes. And let's click Save. The next thing you'll have to do is go to your AI agent. So let's go here. And we're going to have to go to the post call page. So let's click on our agent. Let's go through this very quickly. Next, 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 next. There we go. Now let's click here on appointment booking. Let's turn this on. And now we have all these settings. So let's select our new team, test 1. The event, let's select a reservation. You can choose Google Meet, in person, or phone. If you choose Google Meet, you will need to add a link to the Google Meet in this message. And this message will be sent to the customer after they book an appointment. So let's choose in person because this will be a reservation at a restaurant. So I think in person makes the most sense. And then here we can add a confirmation message. So we could say, your reservation has been booked. See you soon. And then we just have to click publish. And now our agent has appointment scheduling capability. So I just finished a call with the voice agent. So let's take a look at what happened. If we go to the left here and scroll down, we can find appointment requests. Let's click on that. And here is the appointment that our AI agent created. We can see it's from 6 to 7:30 p.m. on August 2nd, 20. It took my email. It assigned the appointment to an employee, and it gives us an appointment type and an event type. So we can click Approve now. The appointment has been approved, and now we can go Calendar. We click Calendar, and we can see there that our reservation is on Saturday, August 2nd. We're in the monthly view. We can also go in the weekly view, click Weekly. It becomes a bit more visible here. If we scroll down to 6 p.m., there it is. We can see our reservation. We can also sort by employee. If we click CloudRep Demos, we see that disappears. We click John Smith, it stays there because this is a reservation for John Smith. We can also select event types, reservation, appointment types, Google Meet. We can see nothing comes up here. Phone, nothing comes up. In person, it comes up. And then we have appointment status. So pending, approved. So we just approved it. So this will show up here. Declined,